only big book. That's yeah, only big book.
Okay, let's read, huh?
A table.
What do you want to read?
This one is
This
yummy.
Around the world. Okay.
Ponies.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
it's a pony.
Okay, sige, let's read.
It's in this.
What's that? Oh, I don't like that. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Oh, yan na. Read ka na.
What's this?
North America. In the North America, there are
What's this image?
Statue of Liberty. This is from
I'll
USA.
put it.
Yes, and Panama Canal.
This is
Panama.
this.
In the Panama.
This.
Mount Rushmore.
Then
In the
mine.
USA. And in Mexico,
This.
what is this? Chichen Itza. That one, no? That one with the stairs, like the stairs there.
This
Like a
one.
mountain with
Yes.
stairs. Take that one.
This is it.
And Grand
Yummy.
Canyon
Big book. Yummy.
from
10
USA.
pesos.
And 10 pesos. Northern Ireland. Northern Lights pala. Canada.
This one.
Teka, merong trivia.
This one.
The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France to celebrate America's 100th birthday. Okay.
What they only.
Yes.
Is it this? Is it this
South
one?
America. In South America, there's the Machu Picchu, Peru. It's from Peru. And the Galapagos
Is it
Island. Galapagos. Ecuador, from Ecuador. And the Amazon rainforest. Ayun know, rainforest. Where's the rainforest? Amazon rainforest. Yeah, that one very good. That is from northern South America. And Christ the Redeemer statue from Brazil. Nazca Lines, Peru. Oh, Nazca Lines.
Wait minutes.
Angel Falls from Venezuela. 1 in 10 species on Earth can be found in the Amazon rainforest. Okay.
History.